In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a scanned signature to a PDF file online using a free tool called Small PDF. I will leave the link to the website in the description. Now let's get started. First, go to the Small PDF website. Once you are there, click on Choose Files and upload the PDF you want to sign. After your file is uploaded, click on Sign a document. This will open your PDF inside the editor. Now on the top menu, click Sign and then select New Signature. Here you will see a different options for creating your signature. You can draw it, type it or upload it. We will choose the upload option. So go ahead and upload the scanned image of your signature from your device. Small PDF will automatically remove the background, giving your signature a clean professional look. You can even change the color to blue, red or classic black, whichever you prefer. Now your signature is ready. Just drag and drop it anywhere on the document, usually at the bottom of the page. When you are done positioning it, click Finish at the top. Everything is set. Just hit the download button, choose a location and save your newly signed PDF. Now open it up and there you have it, your scanned signature perfectly added. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.